Welcome to Growing Old. It's heating up in the greenhouse. Photoperiods. Let's check in.
We're growing old, the name you'll hear around. 'Cause we're planting seeds in sacred ground. We cultivate with purpose, heart and soul. Cannabis as medicine, that's our goal. In our greenhouse, sunshine streams and glows. Watching green leaves sprouting happy.
Okay, so here we are looking at our photos, and we just came up from down south, and it was hot. And my hat's off to my brother Orr over there at Orr Grows, but it's probably about 90 inside, 95 inside of this greenhouse. So that's hot enough for me, but my hat's off to him. So this is our first CBD, and you know you can see that she's growing really good. I'm just waiting for these flowers to start popping up a little more. I mean, no matter how much you trim them, right now they're just going to town. Hoping for one more big stretch. Second CBD, and it looks a little different, but it's going pretty good. Just a little different take on the genetics, I'm thinking. Probably took a little more from one side of the family than the other, but she's looking pretty good. And down here, we'll get to our thick ones. This is the first Peyote Forum. Again, one of my favorites, and I just need to clean it out a little bit. And even she's getting pretty thick down there at the bottom. I mean, it's kind of hard to see, but that's getting pretty thick. The next one's really thick. And then these are all, yeah, I know a lot of guys like to clip them up a ways, but I don't use them in flower form really, so I like to get as many flowers as I can. But she's doing really well. She's liking the sun over here, and she's getting a little taller, but this might be it for her. And this is the big girl right here. She's looking really nice, and again, a lot of guys would trim her up, but this is one of those lower branches, and you can just see all the sites on there, and we'll be doing really good. And maybe if we can look inside here, and this is all auto pots here, look how thick that is, and it's only going to get thicker as the summer goes on. And if we can't, let's look, because I topped this one, and you see what all we got, but look at the spot where I topped it. I mean that thing, that's where I topped it, and just look how big those knuckles are there. I mean, that's again, auto pots in the sun, and she's looking really nice up there. A lot of spots. And then the final one on this side would be my first Peyote Kush, and I swear to you, I trimmed a lot of those leaves off of there, 4 days ago or so. But she's gonna start to look really nice. I might bring out another net so I can keep her off of the side there, because it gets a little hot on the side there. But I'll have to trim back these potatoes just to give her a little more space. But she's looking really good. And then my potatoes are flowering, of course. Okay, so here's our third Peyote Forum, and they all kind of look different, but remember, this is on the north side. But for a north sider, I mean, it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit more, but yeah, she's gonna do really well. If I can get out here when it's not super hot and give her a little training. And then our final one over here is Peyote Kush, and I think she's figured out what she's doing now, because here's what we started with, and then we got all this new growth out here, and she's going to be really, really nice for us. And that's the update. Thank you to all our subscribers. Keep the comments coming, and we love you. See ya.
Our baby's growing bigger, strong and tall, answering nature's ancient healing call.